Hi everybody, welcome back to FRAG-MENTAL. Today I'm giving you my take on Armani Code Profumo. Stay tuned to FM. Code Profumo came out in 2016 and it's a flanker to the original Code. It's a bit of a different fragrance, this one. This one is Eau de Parfum concentration. The original Code was Eau de Toilette. I will be doing a future comparison video between the original Armani Code and Armani Code Profumo, so stay tuned for that one in the future. But today I'm talking about Code Profumo and I'm going to give you my thoughts on whether I think this is a fragrance that you should buy and have in your collection. I've been looking at picking up Armani Code Profumo for a while. I'd smelt it in some stores, really enjoyed the smell, and I wanted to have it in my collection. So in January, I bought a gift set. There were some good deals. If you've seen my January haul video, just up here, then you'll have already seen this box. I'll just quickly show you inside, show you what I got. So for £45, I got Code Profumo shower gel, 60 ml of the juice, and quite a nice little travel bottle. So altogether, 75 ml of juice plus the shower gel. And as I said in my January haul video, shower gel is the only reason I purchased this. It's a nice bonus to get 75 ml of Armani Code Profumo. So there we go. So here's the bottle, same design as the Code bottle, wider at the top and bottom, and it slims in the middle. So really nice bottle design. Let's take a look at the notes. In the top we have green mandarin, green apple and cardamom. In the middle, orange blossom, lavender and nutmeg. In the base, tonka bean, amber and leather. Let's talk about the scent, and I'm going to say straight away, this is gorgeous, really pleasant, really nice. It opens with a nice sweet, juicy, fruity blast, although it's not overly sweet. It's not sweet in the way that La Mal or Ultramal is. It's just a really nice fruity vibe, and this reminds me of when I was a kid. I used to eat a sweet called an opal fruit, and now they're called Starburst, but basically it was an orangey, creamy, juicy sweet, and their slogan was made to make your mouth water, and it did just that.
They're so fruity, they make your mouth water.
Opal fruits made to make your mouth water.
Just made your mouth water as you were eating this really juicy, orangey sweet. And this takes me back to that. As we know, fragrances and scents evoke memories, and this evokes the memory of being a kid and eating that orange sweet or candy. So even though this reminds me of eating candy as a kid, it's not an overly sweet fragrance. It's not too cloying. It's got some lovely smooth notes in there, some tonka bean, some amber, so they provide a nice creamy smoothness to the fruity vibe. But also you've got a nice leather note in there. The leather note just really underpins all those sweeter notes, and it just gives this an extra little bit of punch. It gives it an extra bit of class and sophistication. So this just elevates this fragrance from being a sweet fragrance that younger people, perhaps teenagers, might wear, into the realm of being very wearable for anyone really. And that just leads me on to say that this fragrance is one of those that's incredibly versatile. You could easily wear this as a day scent, a date scent, evening scent, formal occasion scent. This would work in most situations. So think a nice, creamy, sweet, juicy, orangey vibe, and all those notes are underpinned perfectly by the sharper note of the leather, which really rounds out all the notes in this fragrance, taking this into the realm of a more classy and sophisticated scent. It does have a sweetness to it. It's not overly sweet. A lot of people say that this is a great clubbing fragrance, and I can see why. It does have that nice, attractive quality to it. Sweeter fragrances tend to be very crowd pleasing, and like I say, it is sweet, but not as sweet as something like La Mal or Ultramal. So this is a nice, versatile fragrance in terms of the scent itself, who can wear it and when it can be worn. In terms of performance, this is an eau de parfum, so it's really good. I'm getting about 2 to 3 hours of a decent projection and 8 hours as quite a strong skin scent, so it'll last you all day. The sillage and projection off this on the initial spray are pretty phenomenal. It's beast mode, certainly in its opening half an hour. I put one spray of this on when I first got it to try it out, and I walked from downstairs in the house up to the next floor in the house, and my wife followed me upstairs 20 minutes later and she said to me, everywhere you've walked, I can smell that scent that you've just sprayed on. And I said, is it a nice scent? Can you smell it in a good way? And she said, yeah, in a really good way. So she really enjoyed it, and the sillage trail was just following me around the house. So in terms of performance, highly recommended. It's a great performer. So just to summarise, I think Code Profumo is a gorgeous scent. It's got great performance, great versatility. It's not too expensive. So if you were thinking about buying this one, I think you should definitely give it a try. So that's it guys, that's my take on Code Profumo. If you were thinking of adding this to your collection, then I think it would be a really worthwhile purchase. If you already have this and you have some opinions on it, please let me know whether they're good or bad. We can get a great discussion going down below. I love connecting with you all. Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to enable the bell for notifications, and until next time, keep tuning into FM and keep smelling good. So here's the bottle. So here's the bottle. So here's the bottle. So here's the... It's got a lovely, fruity, juicy opening. Fruity, juicy blast. Juicy, fruity blast. I think you should definitely give it a try. So that's it guys, that's my take on Code Profumo.